Megan, we love you. Lately, we've become concerned about certain behaviors.
You don't have any pictures of guys, just these.
You don't even like to kiss me.
It's true.
Honey, we think you're a
Lesbian.
I myself was once a gay. Now I'm an ex-gay, Megan. I work for a place called True Directions
welcome, welcome, welcome.
who help people like yourself.
I'm Sinead. I like pain.
I'm homosexual.
I'm Graham, and I like girls a lot.
I shouldn't even be here.
You don't have any unnatural thoughts.
I don't think it's unnatural.
I'm not perverted. I'm a cheerleader. Be aggressive, try I'm a homosexual. I'm a homosexual.
Her melody.
For the first time in 4K. Celebrate the classic comedy.
Boys, don't you see how sad and pathetic you all are?
About growing up.
This is bull, Megan. It doesn't work. You are who you are. The only trick is not getting caught.
Coming out.
Who wants to go down with me?
And breaking free.
There's not just one way to be a lesbian. You just have to continue to be who you are.
5, 6, 7, 8. God is good. God is strange.
She drove me on the back of her Harley like I was some showpiece.
Simulated sexual lifestyle. What about foreplay?
Foreplay is for sissies.
Mom!
But I'm a Cheerleader Director's Cut. Look for it on 4K Ultra HD.